Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Before we go any further, if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for subscribing. I highly appreciate your support. If you are new to this channel, please make sure you do subscribe for more useful coming videos that are coming, and also please make sure you like this video so that the YouTube will recommend my videos, so that it will be like seen by so many people. Oh, before, if you haven't seen my last video that I posted, what's in my hospital bag, please make sure that you do watch that video, because like I've mentioned some essential stuff that are needed for the last day or for the day of your delivery. So in today's video, I'm going to show you the things that I got at Pep's that are essential for me, because at the last video I show you the essential things that's based on the newborn. I'm preparing for delivery, so I'm 38 weeks, and yeah, so for now I need to go and do my hair for preparation, and also I need to go and buy some stuff that I forgot to buy, which are nursery pads. And also I just want to show you the delivery that I got from Takealot. So this video is solely based on Pep haul, Clicks haul, and unboxing. Oh, and also another thing that I want to share with you guys, like, this pregnancy journey is so beautiful for me. If you have support with your friends, and family, colleagues. So I had 2 baby showers, and the last baby shower was on my the first baby shower was on my birthday last year, 28 December. So I thought it was a surprise birthday party, but only to find out that my family, my friends, and the baby dad, they surprised me with a baby shower on my birthday. I was so overwhelmed. And the last baby shower that I had recently, me and my colleague were pregnant, both of us, so they had us a surprise baby shower. Yo guys, I'm gonna show you the gift that they gave us. Yo guys, I'll show you some highlights. Beautiful. I'm gonna show you the gifts that I got at work for the surprise baby shower, and also I'm gonna unboxing my delivery from Takealot, and then I'm going to show you some stuff that I got at Pep and some stuff that I got at Clicks, and then I'm gonna do my hair. So those are all the preparations, and yeah guys, stay tuned.
Yes, baby mama.
Aw, nakusengenza ivideo futhi. Lungile sine? Ivideo le. Ivideo.
Siyeza.
So I'm back. As you can see, I'm done doing my hair. I'm satisfied. I'm happy with my hair. As I told you that I'm doing the preparation for the delivery, for the big day. As you can see, I've already done my hair, and also I'm going to show you what I got from Clicks, Pep, and we're gonna do the unboxing from Takealot. And this is my gift, my special gift I got from work for my surprise party, baby shower at work. Let's start with the special gift that I got from my colleagues. I was so happy. I didn't expect the surprise baby shower like at work. I didn't expect that, but it's written here to snare safe delivery from your colleagues. So let's see what's inside. Guys, it's such a small cute gift, but hey, let's see inside. Wow, okay, they gave me 100 rand to buy myself because I'm craving for anything. Okay, and tada, whatever I pronounce, it's a voucher, but it's an Ackermans baby voucher which cost 1,000 rand. Guys, like the way, like, I'm speechless. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. So I will go at Ackermans and buy whatever I want for the baby and to add here and there. So guys, I'm so happy. Guys, thank you guys so much. I highly appreciate it. And then what else? Okay, where can I start? Okay, okay, this is the last one, guys. This is the order I ordered from Takealot, but we're gonna open it just now. Let's start with the Clicks, what I got at Clicks. On my hospital bag, I've already packed the essentials for the baby, and now I'm going to pack in one bag my essentials, the things that I need for the delivery. I went to Clicks and then I got this breast pads. So I think I'm going to need these breast pads. It was 60 something rand. Yeah, it was 60 something rand. To Clicks and then I got myself maternity pads. This is the pads, guys, you're going to need. These are the pads that you need, maternity pads, not the normal one. It's not the normal one that we use for periods. Okay. The next thing that I got, I was running short of the pills. The pills that I'm using these pills, Prego Omega Plus. Prego Omega Plus. This is the pills that I'm using. So I was running short of pills, so I bought these pills. These pills are 281 rands. So guys, I recommend these pills when you are pregnant. Drinking these pills, they are very good in terms of energy. Your energy level would be like, and also I don't know, maybe it's like we are guys, I don't know, maybe it's my system or what, but I didn't gain I didn't gain so much weight. Don't wanna lie, I didn't gain so much weight like in this pregnancy, and I'm not ugly. So I don't know whether are these pills or what, but what I've noticed about these pills, your energy levels like. And then what I got the Aqueous cream. This is the new Aqueous cream from Clicks Hydrates Firming Body Cream. So it's my first time buying this cream. It's a Clicks Hydrates Firming Body Cream Q10. So there are two for 30 rands. Yeah. So I will have a review on this one. Okay. And then I got myself a roll-on. This is the roll-on that I'm using. And then I got myself Lifebuoy 2 soap. Just needed 2 soap, just 2. I know I'm going to need 1, but I bought 2 bath soap. And then I got myself this cream. I've used this cream for ages. This is the only cream that I use on my face. Okay, and then I got myself hair removal. So I got myself hair removal because like I really need to prepare myself like for like hygiene, guys. It's very, very important. You need to shave underarms, your pubic area. You need to be like perfect and clean. Okay, so I bought this bowl is 49 rands, very cheap. Hey, that's what I got from Clicks. Okay, now we are at Pep Store. What I got at Pep Store, I needed slippers, guys. Sleeping shoes. These are sleeping shoes. We call it sleeping shoes. I needed the sleeping shoes. I got size 6 because my feet now are swollen like every freaking day. My feet are swollen. It's for only like, guys, $59.99. Like, you're gonna need comforts, you know. You're gonna be comfy. You have to be comfy. Right shoes, okay? If you're pregnant, you need to wear right shoes. And then I got myself a gown. I needed a gown, and then I got this gown. I took large. Is it large? Yes. Is it large? And then it's thick and warm gown. It was only I got it at $179.99. I don't know whether it's just because it's summer or what, but I found it cheap. And then I got a detail. It's leaking, guys. I got myself a detail. I think I'm going to need a detail for the stitches. I saw a need to buy this. Only things that I got for myself to prepare for labor. So now let's come to my delivery. I got this delivery on Friday. I ordered on Wednesday and then I got it on Friday. Let's see, is it what we ordered for or what? Oh, yep. Yeah, guys, I ordered the breast pump at Takealot. What I've noticed, breast pumps are less cheaper when you buy it online. When I'm comparing the prices from the stores that we are buying at and online from Takealot, they are much lesser. And also online you can get what you want. I went to Clicks. I didn't found this type of breast pump. I didn't find this type of breast pump. They've got this is it manual breast pump. I don't like that because like they say it's time consuming. This one, it's working so efficient. Yeah, it's working so efficient. So someone recommended this breast pump for me. That's why I bought it. So you see, guys, this breast pump, it's huge, as you can see, and it's from Tommy TP. It's huge. You just pump it and then it's going to suck your breast, and then you don't have to like keep on pumping just to have an access to the milk or to the milk supply. This one, you just punch it, and then it's going to suck your nipple or your breast, and then there is going to be the milk supply. But it's going to depend on your milk supply, but it's working so efficiently and it's less time consuming. Yeah, so I'm satisfied with my order from Takealot. Oh, it was how much? It was 299 rand, and then I paid 60 rand for the delivery, so 360 rand I paid for this. So I'm preparing to breastfeed him for 2 months, and then on the third month I'll start to introduce formula to him. So that's how I plan ukuthi ajwayele ukuncela, but hopefully he will get used to it, to the formula and stuff like that. So yeah, guys, these are the most essential things that I wanted for this pregnancy. And guys, I'm a first mom. I'm excited with this journey. It's such a lovely journey. I'm so happy. And yes, there are those times, but most importantly, like, I'm happy. I'm preparing myself for everything. And yeah, guys, and thank you so much for watching, guys. Please make sure you do subscribe on this channel for more useful videos, and please like this video so that it will be seen by many people, and it will be recommended on YouTube. Thank you guys so much. I will see you on the next video. Goodbye.